Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can share tweet on Instagram story. Before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one. And without any further ado, let us get started. So the first thing we want to do is simply open Twitter application on our phone right over here. Now here what we want to do is simply select any of the tweet which you want to share to your Instagram story. Let's say I want to select this tweet right over here. Once you select this tweet, at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see a share icon, but if you click on share icon, we don't have any option to share it to our Instagram stories, but we can share it directly to our messages. So in order to share this tweet to our Instagram story, what you want to do is simply screenshot this tweet right over here. Once you screenshot the tweet, you want to open your gallery and then select the tweet which you just select the tweet which we just clicked right over here. Click on the edit button and then crop it as per your need. Once you crop it, you can click on save on the top right hand side of the screen, and this will be our current tweet. Now what we want to do is simply upload this to our Instagram story right over here. Once you go to Instagram story, simply select the tweet which we just saved and then simply adjust the size. You can add text if you want. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen you can see the option to share to your story, and once you screenshot and save this to your story, you will have successfully shared the tweet from Twitter to your Instagram story. So in this way you can really easily share tweets on your Instagram story. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, then leave them down in the comment section below, and thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in our next video.